and welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 23rd to 27th of February 2026 on Monday. Kia's bitterness knows no end. The intense worry about the upcoming review of their work. It determines their future. Meanwhile, Swazi worries about the danger of Jack, but Nims will not allow her to quit. Jack's operation is moving on smoothly as much as Donald cannot handle guns on Tuesday. Swazi realizes she might be out of her depth with Jack. Mzimkhulu learns the value of Sebe's sculptures. Donald lies to Lulu about where his gun comes from. Kumo tells Gia she needs to see a therapist. Lulu suggests Zondiwe's finance her wedding through crowdfunding on Wednesday. G-Wagon builds Donald's confidence. Gia seeks help. G-Wagon as affection for Lucy rubs Nolwazi up the wrong way. Zondiwe resort to online fundraising for her wedding. Dow takes on a mega church as a new client on Thursday. The interns face a grilling at work. Swazi crashes the spa shootout, causing jealousy and a problem for Lulama and Kamo. Fikile worries about a relationship with Jack, who persists with his arrangement with Swazi. G-Wagon's faith in Donald is repaid. Zondiwe's fundraising kicks off on Friday. Donald starts to become an effective recruiter. G-Wagon caught Lucy and Jack caught Fikile. While Nims up pressures on Swazi to conceive. Pastor Lawrence has Ezweni on its toes. Nomasebe and Mzimkhulu concentrate on the water issue. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.